Being a daughter, wife, mother, and a career woman, I never realized when the time slipped away from me. Now, when I reflect back, I regret that I didn't take out time to look after myself. When I look in the mirror, I see dull, pigmented skin and wonder if I still have time to do something about it. I had always been very proud of my clear skin in my younger days. While looking for a natural solution for my issues, I came across Blue Nectar's Kumkumadi Serum, which is 100% Ayurvedic formulation of 26 herbs infused with the goodness of Kashmiri saffron soaked overnight. It has been nearly 3 weeks since I have been applying 2-3 drops every night, and I can see a noticeable reduction in my pigmentation. My complexion has started becoming clearer. My skin has started feeling soft and smooth, like it was in my younger days. The fragrance is mild and soothing, and I just love that. It is so easy to use. Just a few drops in the night does its magic. Blue Nectar Kumkumadi Serum is just perfect for my hectic lifestyle.